Selling a home can often seem intimidating. From not knowing where to start to not knowing who to trust, selling a home can sometimes seem more stressful than the value you'd get from selling it. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 main steps you need to know in the real estate selling process to help you make decisions with confidence, save time and money, and most importantly, keep peace of mind. The 6 steps from start to finish to selling your home include scheduling a listing consultation, marketing your home, showing your home, negotiating an offer, understanding inspections, and last but not least, closing day. Let's get into it.
Know you got an option. You can slide with me if you drop in. We rolling on a plot, staying locked in. Hey yo, Carlos, can you tell me about that new pad? Real estate, what we getting, Brody? True that.
Number 1, scheduling a listing consultation. You always want to have some type of guidance, especially with an investment as big as your home. Meeting with a professional allows you to discuss your family's needs, the estimated value of your home, as well as the next steps to take if you decide to move forward. Number 2, marketing your home. How you market your home makes a big difference in who sees your home. While the traditional way of marketing your home through newspapers and open house signs can be very effective, it is important to understand that a majority of buyers nowadays are seeing your home online. Having great marketing allows you to attract a greater number of potential buyers. Number 3, showing your home to interested customers. Oftentimes, a potential customer may want to visit your home in person, and it is important to be prepared as possible when that time comes. This includes having decent to great staging for a great first impression, having a scheduling platform so you know when appointments are scheduled, and having a secure lockbox for real estate professionals to show your home when you're not there. Number 4, negotiating and accepting an offer. Considering market demand, your needs, as well as the needs of your buyers, there are different ways to negotiate a great offer. This can include selling in a seller's market, a buyer's market, having a multiple offer situation, or negotiating closing costs. Understanding inspections and repair requests. A home inspection looks for anything that could use repair and could be of risk to you or your potential home buyers. Using an inspection report, requests for repairs can be made. While not all repairs may be necessary, it is important to be prepared for a smooth transaction. Number 6, closing day. Closing day means you've made it to the very end and it is almost time to hand over the keys. To ensure a smooth closing, make sure moving arrangements have been made, make sure your home is clean and prepared for a final walkthrough from your buyers, and equally as important, make sure you bring the appropriate items to the closing table. Understanding these 6 steps to the real estate selling process can help you make better decisions with confidence, save you time and money, and most importantly, help you keep peace of mind. To learn more in depth about each of these steps or to connect with a real estate professional, visit carlosdoesrealestate.com. Also follow us on your preferred social media platforms to stay informed on things to know and how to be prepared when selling your home. I want to thank you guys one more time for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, let us know what we should make a video on, and follow us to get all the information you need or to connect with the real estate professionals you need. And most importantly, don't forget, you're exactly right where you need to be to get to where you're going. I'll see you guys in the next video.